How to get live access on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to get live access on TikTok. So let's begin. Before we proceed, I would like to tell you that only selected or those people or users that have met the requirements may be able to use the live feature on TikTok. So to do that, just simply make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open TikTok and then press on the plus button right here on the bottom mid of your screen. And then there should be an option right here in which you may be able to see the live access or the live button right here. Since I don't have that, what you're going to do is to check on your followers. So go to your profile right here and then you should look at your followers. So you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers or followers on TikTok. And then you should also be at least 16 years old when you have created your account. Also, if you are going to have a live and you want to receive gifts, you should also need to be at least 18 years old so that you may be able to receive gifts. So again, just a recap, the requirements for the TikTok live is you should be at least 16 years old or 18 years old if you want to accept gifts, and then you should have at least 1,000 followers. So that's it. That's how you can get live access on TikTok.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.